Okay, so we've effectively sewn our two pieces, good sides together, nice straight seams, a 5/8, which is a standard seam, and a 4/8, which is a reinforcing stitch. The reason we do a 4/8 is because if these were jeans or pants and you busted through the 5/8, the 4/8 is still going to hold it all together. Then we've done the zigzag on both sides to finish the seams so that no matter how often we wash our item that we've made, and regardless of how many times the threads start to fray, it'll never fray past the stitching. So it protects your sewing. Okay, so now on one side we're going to do a hem, a rolled hem. What that is it's 2 centimeters over, and then it's 2 centimeters over again, and then we pin and we sew as close to this folded edge, the inside folded edge, as possible. Now, this is called a rolled hem, and this is the type of hem that you're going to do when you're hemming your boxers or your pajama pants. Okay? Okay, so now you're going to need to use this little tool to set it at 2 centimeters, because you've got centimeters on one side and inches on the other. So you've got your second sample. You're looking at the good side. What you want to do is do a rolled hem. So you line the edge of the material up and you roll it, push it up until you get to 2 centimeters. And you pinch it and you put a pin through it. So hold it, roll it till you get to 2 centimeters, hold it, and pin it. Notice that you're pinning all the way through and all the way back both pieces of material. Lay it out, fit it, make sure it's 2 centimeters, hold it there, and pin it. What you're going to do now is, because you're doing a rolled hem, so it has to roll a second time. So I'm going to back these pins off just a little bit so that it's not crossing the edge of the material like that. Because what you're going to do is, where the edge of the material ends is where you're going to fold it, because you've already measured 2 centimeters. You don't need to measure again. So fold it over, pull the pin out, put the pin back in through all 3 layers now. Check, fold, pull the pin out, put the pin back in through all 3 layers. Once you've got the material pinned, now you're going to sew on this inside folded edge. If you haven't ironed it, you could iron it now. I'm still not going to iron it because the weight of the presser foot is going to hold it down anyway. Now, what I want to do is I want to sew as close to this inside folded edge. So I'm going to line it up. I'm going to put the presser foot down so that I can see that the needle is going to go fairly close to the inside folded edge. Again, I'm doing a stitch of 1, stitch length of 2, needle position at 0. Remember, you need to back stitch. Always knotted. Stop, pull the needle out, Continue sewing. All the way to the end, back stitch again, needle at the top, press your foot up, trim your threads at the end and at the beginning, and you have your rolled hem. Couple of notes. It should be nice and straight. Your hem is on the other side, so you've rolled it into the wrong side of the fabric because you don't want to see your hem on the right side of the fabric, so that when you look at your finished product, you've got your nice seam. You can't see any of the extra material. You've got your fold, but you can't see it. Okay? The other thing that you're going to do now on the other side is you're going to do a waistband or a drawstring hem. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure 2 centimeters over and then 3.5 centimeters over. Okay?